Talofalawa, and Aloha. Why did you just join me in this beautiful song? Yeah, it's called Ave Maria. All right, come on. She was lost in so many different ways, out in the darkness with no guide.
I know the cost of a losing hand, never found grace of God, though
I found heaven on earth.
You are my last, my first.
I've always heard this voice inside. Ave Maria.
I've been alone while I'm surrounded by friends. How could the silence be so loud?
But I still go home, knowing that I've got you. There's only us when the lights go down.
You are my heaven on earth.
You are my hunger, my thirst.
I always hear this voice inside.
Ave Maria. Sometimes love can pass you by while you're busy making plans.
Suddenly hit you and then you realize it's out of our hands. Baby, you've got to understand. You are my heaven on earth. You are my last, my first. I always hear this voice inside. Ave Maria. Ave Maria. Ave Maria.
All right, good job, guys. Good job. Mahalo for joining. And Sa out. Peace.